afternoon, good evening, good morning. Today is May 31st, 2025, and it's our holiday. Today we're here at we are on the seaside. Look at the views on the other side. Kennedy Town. It's a cloudy day and windy. The weather is nice. A lot of people in this park, you see. High-rise building at the back. Look at those buildings. Look at the waves. So windy. It's nice to stay here beside the sea. Look at that dog, very a huge dog. He was so white. Look at that speedboat. A trip to Macau. From Hong Kong to Macau. The red one. Sa tabing dagat. Dinner po tayo, guys. Chicken factory. One whole big chicken, roasted chicken. Our dinner here at the seaside, Kennedy Town. Anak niya. Good evening na, guys. Inabot na kami ng gabi dito sa seaside, sa Kennedy Town. Look at those lights. Ang ganda. Yan. Yung lights sa mga building. Yan. Yan yung aking mga kasama. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
Yan. And that's Sister Joanne, Sister Nelly, and Sister Eileen.
Maginaw, ha?
Oh, giniginaw na sila kasi ang sarap ng hangin sa seaside. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga lights. Oh, ganda. Oh, may helicopter doon, oh. Yun yung bridge. Tingnan nyo yung light. Ganda. Sa seaside. Galing. Ganda ng view dito. Evening view. Sa may seaside ng Kennedy Town. A lot of people walking. Some of them doing exercise and doing picnic. Mayroon pang dalawa doon nag-iiyakan. Yan o, ang ganda ng view. Nakapasyal din kahit papano. Yung aming kasama, nag-i-emote. Ay, nag-i-emote ba o nag-i-imagine? I don't know the right word.
May kanin ka pa, oh.
Look! Ganda ng building, oh, taas. Lights niya. Tingnan nyo, may mga nakatupo doon. Sa ano na yan ng dagat. dagat. O, tingnan nyo. Nakaupo sila sa labas. Habang nag-uusap, nakaharap sa dagat. Yan. Ganyan kaganda po yung view. Mga kasama. Si Aileen. That's great. Ani. Yan. Picture pa daw kami ni Johan. Sabay ko. Taga-picture na.
Naka-jacket ka rin.
Kaya nga siya nga yung naka-jacket. Tingnan niyo yung mga bata. O, sarap pa ng laro. Tumatakbo pa para maglaro. Pauwi na daw kami. Kasi holiday na naman bukas. Bye-bye, Kennedy Town. Hope to see you next time. Hope we can come again in this place. It's nice. Nasa seaside. Yan. Napakahangin. Ganda ng weather today. It's not hot. It's windy. Ayan. Oh, bye. Bye-bye. So, hanggang dito na lamang po. Uuwi na po kami. Bye-bye.